Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Midjourney free alternative, how to use this free AI tool to make money online. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. In the recent months, there has been a buzz around AI tools like this one, Midjourney, for side hustles and online income. But what if you're not keen on shelling out $10 a month for Midjourney since this is a paid app? Don't worry, we've got a free alternative that can help you make online. So allow us to introduce to you Leonardo AI. So just a quick overview on what is Leonardo. So this is a cutting-edge tool that is driven by artificial intelligence, enabling users to craft stunning digital images and designs with ease. So leveraging Leonardo's intuitive interface and powerful features, you can create intricate patterns, captivating illustration, and unique visual content. So additionally, Leonardo AI opens up exciting opportunities to monetize your creations by using the tool to generate exceptional designs. So you can explore avenues like selling prints through print-on-demand services like what we have in here, which is Printify. This will allow you to transform your artistic endeavors into a potential source of income without the complexities of productions and logistics. So as you can see, here are some of the photos that was generated by other users from Leonardo AI. So for you to be able to get started, just simply click on to create an account in here. And then right after, you should be able to see this pop-up screen. So you can see that note, you will need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. So for you to be able to get whitelisted, you need to type in your first name and add in your email and click on to count me in. So the next steps for this are actually just simple prompts in there, following their social media pages and some sort of like that, so that you'd be able to get an email to be whitelisted. Now here onto the login page, you'll see an option to continue with Apple, Google, Microsoft, or you can continue using your email and password. So if you forgot it, you just simply click onto this button here and you could just choose your preferred option. And remember the alternative that I told you earlier, you'll just need to scroll down in here and click on to sign up if you're not whitelisted to create an account, and then right after go through all of the process again to log in here using your preferred login option. So I'll choose Google in here, and then right after you should be redirected to the dashboard. Now, as you can see, this is what Leonardo AI's dashboard would look like. Here onto the upper part, you have here the different featured models, and here onto the lower part, the recent creations. Now, if you head onto this left side in here, you should be able to see these tokens in here. So this is actually a game changer since onto other platforms, you need to pay monthly fees to use it. But here onto Leonardo AI, it will just allow you to use the images you generate for commercial purposes without that monthly fee. You'll just really need to use this token or utilize this wisely since this is what you'll need to generate those photos. But you don't have to worry because you will receive this 150 tokens daily. And if this is not enough for you, you can even sign up with different email addresses for more. So for you to be able to get started in here, you should be able to scroll down here onto the left side and head onto this AI image generation tool in the left panel. So this page has plenty to explore, so let's just go ahead and click onto it. Now, the first thing that you'll notice once you're in is the prompt in here. So this is where you will type what you want to see onto your photo. You could also see here below the fine-tune model wherein you can choose a model. So you could click onto custom model as well here onto the bottom part so that you should be able to see the available models, each designed for the specific image generation purposes. So you could also check out community models for that created by other users. So you also have here the style that you want to see onto your photo. You could have it onto Leonardo style or none. And you could also add in a negative prompt. So these are actually the things that you don't want to see onto the image that it will generate. So you could turn this one on and turn this one off. And here onto the left side, you should be able to see the available tokens into your account. You could also see the number of images you want to generate per generation. So you have your up until 8, but you need to be onto the pro version to avail that. So the maximum that we have for the free plan is 4. We have for the photo reel, the prompt magic, the alchemy, public images, also the image dimension. You could select the resolution for the final images. You could also customize it. You could also have it by ratio. You could see the guidance scale, control net, and the tiling, and the image prompt and image to image prompt. So this feature that we have in here, you'll just need to drag and drop a photo here, and then it will use as a reference onto what you want to generate. So let's try that one out. So what we'll need to do in here is we'll just need to simply choose a photo that we'll use as a reference. So we'll head onto your local browser in there and search for this floral pattern print so that we could sell it onto some platforms. So we'll try to use this one. What we'll need to do is just right click onto it and then click on save image as. Then right after, you'll just need to click save onto that so that it would be added onto your device. Now let's head back in here and then let's get the photo that we have downloaded and drag and drop it onto this part, onto the image prompt. So we're gonna just drag it like that. And then as you can see, it is already uploaded. Now, as you can see, I have added a prompt in here, which is develop a seamless floral pattern background. So we'll just need to add in some other words in here that would fit the one that you want to achieve onto the photo, like best quality, vintage fantasy art, watercolor effect, 4K resolution, photorealistic rendering, and using Cinema 4K. So you'll just need to choose the font and model that you have in here, and then let's just click onto none here, onto the style. And actually, since we have uploaded this one out, there is actually a feature in here that would be helpful onto these kinds of generation. So since we are developing a seamless, like a floral pattern background, we'll need to activate this feature in here, which is stilling. So let's click onto that. So this is actually ideal for repeating textures or background. So we'll just need to simply opt this one in. And then right after, you'll just need to simply click on the generate. So this will use 4 tokens. And let's just simply click onto that. Now, as you can see, here are the photos that I generated. So we have here some flora backgrounds. So you have an option actually to delete the image, download it. You also have the option to copy the unzoom image and the remove background. So let's check the other pattern. So we have this one as well. So it is actually similar to the one that we have in here, and it actually is almost the same onto the print sample that we have. So you could actually utilize this one in here that we have, the image weight. So the higher value of this will make the output look more like the reference image. So we could also lower the values to adhere more to the text. So let's try to add this one at 0.47. So let's also add in some things in here onto our prompt. So we could add in a specific color that you want to see or anything that you'd like. So let's try to regenerate again using the new prompt. Now let's try to see what it will give us. We'll just need to simply click on to generate. Now here are the new photos that I generated since we added white background onto our prompt, and also we have tried to update the image weight in here. Now for us to be able to make money using Leonardo AI, we're going to be saving these patterns that we have generated, and we'll use this platform, which is Etsy. So this is what actually we're going to do. So earning money on Etsy using Leonardo AI is straightforward. So we'll just need to create the unique digital designs like what we did earlier onto that beautiful patterns. And once you have that, you will set up a shop here onto Etsy. So you will list your designs as printable products such as prints or digital downloads in your Etsy shop. So when customers purchase your design, you earn money and they receive the digital files to use or print themselves. So Etsy handles the transactions and you can focus on creating more designs and growing your online store. So just like how the other users, so like this. So it is actually a fantastic way to turn your creative talents into income. Now we'll head on to another platform that we have in here that will also help us to earn money on Leonardo AI. So let's head on to Printify in here. Now here on to Printify, creating money is also very easy using Leonardo. So once we have the design ready already, then you'll just need to sign up or start for free in here to select a product like t-shirts, mugs, posters that you want to print your design on. Now, once you're already logged in, just simply click onto design product in here. Then right after, you should be able to browse onto the different categories that you want to do. So you could use that for the design, for a matte vertical poster, for a phone case, or a t-shirt. So you'll just need to choose in here which one do you prefer. You could also click onto this tote bag and just simply click onto it. Now, once you click onto it, you should be able to see the details onto the product and also click onto start designing to add in your print. Then right after, you'd be redirected onto the editing page. So as you can see in here, there are also design guidelines that you can see. So let's remove onto that. So you have here the top of the bag and the bottom of the bag. Now let's go ahead and add in here our design from Leonardo AI. So you have actually the option to just drag and drop it in here. So we'll just need to drop it like that. And as you can see, it is already adding to our library. So we'll just wait for that. Then right after, we'll just need to have this one resized out so that we could have it onto the design of our bag. Now we have successfully added already our design onto the tote bag. And let's try to check also other variants that we have in here. So we have here the sizes. So we have small, medium, and large, and how much it costs. Now let's do a quick preview on what our design would look like. So just simply click onto preview in here. Now, as you can see, this is how our design would look like onto a tote bag. So you could have it onto a back view, We also have a person view in here. So for you to be able to use your design, so just choose which product you want to use it. And right after, you could set your pricing, customize how it will look onto the product, and upload your design so that you can connect your Printify store to an e-commerce platform like Etsy or Shopify. So you'll just need to simply click on the save product in here. And when customer orders product with your design, Printify will handle the printing, packaging, and shipping for you. So you earn money from each sale, and Printify takes care of the production side of things, making it a simple way to earn income with your creative designs. And there you have it. Well, you've learned how to use this free Midjourney alternative tool to make money online. And if you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.